ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत्. आराम अध्यायम, the sixth chapter and sixth sloka. It's a continuation of fifth sloka. Here also Bhagavan further explains about how a person can be a friend as well can be enemy. Bhagavan Krishna explains here with the body, mind, buddhi complex, which Jivatma can control his own, which Jivatma controls his own body, mind, buddhi complex. For him, that Atmatvam, Atma, will be a friend. Which person can't control the body, mind, buddhi complex? For them, the same Atma will be enemy to that particular Jivatma. Here Bhagavan clearly says, each and every tools, you have two sides. Suppose say Indriyas, sense organs, sense pleasures of sense objects, mind, anger, anger, fear and everything. So this and all the side effect. The tools, for example, sense organs. It can be used for good thing and it can be used for bad thing also. If you use it for good thing, then that particular knife or the tool will become, suppose say, a knife is there. The knife can be used for good thing as well as used for bad thing also. If you know how to use that particular knife by mind and by buddhi, if you know how to use the knife correctly, that knife will become a friend to you. If you misuse that knife will become an enemy to you. Means if you use good way, it will be beneficial to you and it will do good thing. And if you misuse it, it will put you in trouble. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. The Deham, Manam, the body, mind complex, you can add buddhi also. If it is rightly used, then you are friend to you. You are friend to you. Everything will be happen is friendly way. But if you misuse the same with the manam, buddhi, udal, deham, body, mind, buddhi, if you misuse those, then it will be enemy to you. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. So controlling senses, controlling senses, detaching from everything, not doing karma with Ishvara Arpana buddhi, and controlling over fear and anger. These are all the things. Use it rightly, then the Atma will be friend to you. Otherwise, the same Atma, if you misuse it, this will be enemy to you. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. It is up to you how you use the manam, how you use the manas, buddhi, deham instruments as a tools in good way and bad way. Good way, you will become good way it will be friend, and bad way it will be enemy. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see seventh sloka. Till then, Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namah Harihi Om Tat Sat.